Unlocking the future, the booming Earth observation big data service market. The Earth observation big data service market is on the brink of a remarkable transformation. According to insights from Market Research Intellect, this sector is set to experience explosive growth between 2025 and 2032, driven by the ever-evolving landscape of technology, shifting consumer needs, and dynamic market forces. As industries increasingly turn to satellite-based insights, the demand for Earth observation big data services is skyrocketing. Thanks to cutting-edge advancements in satellite technology and remote sensing, we can now gather and process vast amounts of geospatial data more efficiently than ever before. This surge in data utilization is particularly evident in critical areas such as military operations, disaster response, urban planning, agriculture, and environmental monitoring. Moreover, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning is revolutionizing how we analyze and interpret complex datasets, making them invaluable for informed decision-making. With governments, academic institutions, and businesses investing heavily in space-based data services, the Earth observation big data market is poised for significant expansion in the coming years. Several key factors are propelling this market forward. The increasing reliance on satellite data for climate research, resource management, and monitoring environmental changes is a major driver. Earth observation data enables organizations to track vital indicators like deforestation, glacier melt, and air quality in near real time, which is crucial as we confront global challenges related to climate change and sustainability. Additionally, the growing application of geospatial intelligence in agriculture, where big data analytics helps manage water usage, monitor soil health, and optimize crop yields, is another significant factor. The rise of smart cities and urban planning initiatives has also heightened the demand for precise mapping and land use data. In the defense and security sectors, high-resolution, near-real-time imagery is essential for strategic planning and monitoring. The combination of cloud computing, AI, and big data platforms is making Earth observation big data services more scalable and impactful across various industries, enhancing accessibility and analytical capabilities. However, the journey isn't without its challenges. The Earth observation big data service market faces hurdles such as high initial investment costs, particularly for small and medium-sized enterprises looking to enter the field. Navigating complex regulatory landscapes and compliance requirements can also be daunting, as companies must keep pace with evolving policies and standards. Supply chain disruptions, including raw material shortages and logistical issues, can further impede market growth and inflate operational costs. In developed regions, market saturation poses a challenge, pushing businesses to explore emerging markets where infrastructure and consumer awareness may still be developing. Intense competition among key players adds pressure on profit margins, making it essential for companies to innovate and form strategic partnerships. Economic fluctuations, geopolitical instability, and shifting consumer preferences contribute to the uncertainty, compelling businesses to adopt agile strategies to thrive in the ever-evolving Earth observation big data service market. As we look ahead, several emerging trends are reshaping the landscape of the Earth observation big data service market. The integration of advanced digital technologies like AI, automation, and the Internet of Things (IT) is enhancing operational efficiency and user experience. Sustainability is becoming a focal point, with companies increasingly adopting eco-friendly materials and processes to meet growing environmental regulations and consumer demand for greener solutions. The trend toward personalized and customized offerings is gaining traction as businesses strive to meet specific consumer preferences and industry needs. Investments in research and development are accelerating, leading to continuous innovation and the introduction of high-performance products. Furthermore, strategic collaborations, partnerships, and acquisitions are on the rise as companies seek to expand their geographical reach and technological capabilities. As these trends continue to evolve, they are expected to drive long-term growth and competitiveness in this dynamic global market. The competitive landscape of the Earth observation big data service market is marked by fierce rivalry among key players vying for dominance. Leading companies are focusing on product innovation, strategic partnerships, and mergers and acquisitions to solidify their market positions. Ongoing investments in research and development are fueling technological advancements, enabling businesses to enhance their offerings and gain a competitive edge. Regional expansion strategies are also prominent, with companies targeting emerging markets to tap into growing demand. Sustainability and regulatory compliance have become critical factors influencing competition as businesses aim to align with evolving industry standards. Startups and new entrants are introducing disruptive solutions, intensifying competition and prompting established players to adopt agile strategies. Digital transformation, AI-driven analytics, and automation are reshaping competitive dynamics, allowing companies to streamline operations and improve efficiency. As the market continues to evolve, businesses must adapt to changing consumer demands and technological advancements to maintain their market position. In summary, the Earth observation big data service market is not just a trend, it's a burgeoning industry ripe with opportunities. With the right investments and strategies, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of this exciting market, ready to harness the power of data to drive innovation and growth.